Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Today we're in my car and we're gonna be doing a little mukbang, whatever. I have Chipotle, yay. Let me get everything out. I'm parked like down the street from the Chipotle that's near my house, and I just thought, you know, I was gonna eat in my car by myself, so I might as well make a little mukbang, get a little video out of it. So anyways, I got some chips, and if you don't rip your chips like this, so loud, to eat them, you're not eating them right. Anyway, Chipotle is like my favorite food, like meal. Like if I were to choose somewhere to go out to eat, it's usually Chipotle. I fucking love, ask anyone that knows me, I fucking love Chipotle. I could eat it every single day. But let me tell you guys what I got in my bowl. I got a burrito bowl, and let me tell you what I got. Today's Sunday. Obviously we're still, you know, doing the whole quarantine situation, so no one can dine in. Literally nothing's open, so I have nothing to do today, or I haven't had nothing to do ever, so I just thought I'd get some food. My husband is sleeping at home, so I asked him if he wanted some and he said no, so I came by myself, and this is my beautiful bowl. Okay, so what I got on my bowl, I got white rice, chicken, fajitas, I got pico de gallo, the green salsa, the corn salsa. What else did I get? No beans. I get the red hot one on the side because that's like my favorite one, and they don't give me enough, so I put that on top of here. I got sour cream cheese and lettuce. So bone apple titties. I got a side of guac and a side and chips. I'm so hungry. Poured some chips down, and then I got my side of guac because it's literally one of the only guacs I'll eat and I actually enjoy. Oh yeah. It was so chaotic in there. I ordered online through the app because it hasn't been open. Like you can only order online and you have to pick it up, and they have like the whole restaurant closed. But today they're actually letting people in and order there. I would have done that instead. I prefer that. But whatever. So they had hella online orders. And hella people there to order. I got some sparkling water from my house because I don't really drink soda. Oh. This makes me burp a lot though. Okay, so I'm gonna drench this hot sauce all over my bowl. What do you guys get from Chipotle? I'm always interested to know what people order and judge them based off their order. Just kidding. Yeah, I use the whole thing. I love hot sauce. I love hot sauce. I love spicy food. Like, just enjoy it. Good tasting spicy food, not just spicy food for the sake of being spicy, you know what I mean? So yeah, bone apple titties. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this. She's beautiful. Sometimes I get what's that called, barbacoa. Oh, the barbacoa is so good, but I've noticed lately it's been very fatty, so like the meat on it, so chicken is like the next best thing. Oh my god, my mouth is like watery. I'm sorry. But I know I will never claim Chipotle to be Mexican food. But whatever you want to call this, it's fucking bomb. It's not Mexican food, but it's so good. Oh my god, I fucking love this shit. So what are you guys doing? Mm. Sometimes when I'm in the mood, I'll get their burritos. But I have to be in the mood. And also, I just feel like the burrito doesn't have as much food. Like, they're filling and stuff, but I just feel like you get more for your money if you get a burrito bowl. And you can ask for a tortilla on the side. And they'll give it to you for free. So you can make your own burrito at home. I had to wear my mask in there. So annoying because it's 90 degrees outside right now. So from the time I walked to my car, the parking lot was so full too. There was hella people in there. But by the time I walked from my car to the store, I had to park a little bit away. I was sweating underneath the mask. And I just did my makeup and I'm like, fuck, I'm fucking up my makeup. And I had to wait in there I was waiting in there for at least like 15 minutes for my food. I didn't know it was gonna be that packed. And if I knew I could have ordered my food there and watched them make it, I would have preferred that. I just feel like sometimes depends on who's making the bowl, they don't put enough salsa, in my opinion. I love sauce. I need my salsa. I keep looking around because I'm parked at a place that the place is abandoned. I mean, I don't know about abandoned, but something used to be here, but it's not here anymore. So I don't want a cop to pull up on me and be like, what are you doing? Ooh, excuse me. And I'm literally just sitting here stuffing my face, you know? So, it's good. Oh, and I don't know, I mentioned this on one of my past videos, like not that long ago, that I was laid off from my job. Two months ago, I got laid off. Well, I just got a text and they want me to come back. Which is great news, because I was going a little crazy not having something to, you know, do. I mean, yeah, I was filming and editing, but it's like 2 days right there. I was constantly busy when I was working. So, so I'm kind of excited to get back into the swing of a routine, wake up early and all that stuff. So cheers to me. I think I'm gonna do another mukbang, and I'm gonna do either a seafood boil. Sorry, that was gross. Either a seafood boil or Korean barbecue with my friend Chelsea. She's been on my channel before. My best friend, my bestie. She's been on my channel before. So she's down to do that. I'm not sure when we're gonna film that. Hopefully soon, so I can get that up soon. But yeah. I'm filming on my phone because I want to bring my big ass camera. And honestly, in my opinion, the quality is better, which is sad. I have the iPhone 11. Just a regular one. I'm so happy. You guys have no idea. After this, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and buy some liquor. I'm returning up tonight. Turning up. I want their guac recipe. Like, I've made guac and I love it. I like the way it came out, but nothing compares to Chipotle guac. I don't know. Maybe they put crack in it or something. Woo. Excuse. This sparkling water that I'm drinking is oh my god, excuse me, Good and Gather, which is the Target brand. It's like 6 of them for, was it 6 or 8? 8 of them, I think. Yeah, 8 of them for like $3, $2.90, $2.80 something, which wasn't bad. So if you like sparkling water, check that out. They have hella different flavors too. It's fucking bomb. I'm just mixing it all up. I don't know why it bothers me. I don't know, somehow some people eat bothers me. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but like when people are eating their bowl without mixing it, I don't know why that bothers me. Just going like this. bite by bite. Does that make sense? How I eat probably bothers somebody. I might kill this whole bowl. I'm definitely gonna be bloated after this. But this is gonna be my first and last meal today. I need something filling if I'm gonna get fucked up tonight. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's too loud. I have my AC on. Everyone comes here to eat, apparently. Does food make you guys happy? Like, food will literally change my mood. Like, I was kind of irritated leaving the house because I didn't want to come by myself. And my husband, all he wants to do is lay on the couch and be lazy. And that's cool and all, but I literally been doing that all week. I'm trying to get cute and do something. So I was kind of irritated that he didn't want to come with me. But his loss, right? He misses out on some awesome Chipotle. Ugh, I'm getting really full. The Chipotle by my house, or near me, yeah. It has a Wingstop next door to it. I can never make a decision. Like when me and Josh, you know, say we want to come have food, I know that deciding on going to Chipotle, I'm gonna be near Wingstop. So it's so hard to decide which one I want because I love both of them. Honestly, I love both of them. Sometimes I'm in the mood for the other, but I love Wingstop and I love Chipotle just as much, and for them to be that close is just really rude. But I used to work at Wingstop. Fun fact, I used to work at Wingstop for like a good 7 months when I was about 19. Yep. And it was fun. I think I like the food more because I know it's all natural. Like, none of the wings are frozen. They're not frozen. And the potatoes are cut naturally. And the seasoning on the freaking potatoes is just so bomb. The ranch is made in-house. They have potato salad that's made in-house as well. They have baked beans as well, if you guys didn't know. Baked beans and coleslaw, all of that's made in-house. I know they now have those like corn wheels. I wasn't working there when that came out. I have the basic meals. I mean, the basic stuff. But everything's pretty fucking bomb there. The ranch, the blue cheese. So good. The blue cheese is made in-house. It's basically ranch without the ranch packet. And just add blue cheese crumbles. That's how the blue cheese is made. And I think that's why I like it so much, because it's literally the ranch stuff without the ranch packet. So like buttermilk and mayo. And they just throw the blue cheese crumbles in it, which gives it like a slight taste of blue cheese. Not like, I don't know, some dressings just taste like really rotten. I don't like that shit. Because I don't actually eat the little crumbles. I don't know what I'm even talking about right now. Like, I'm just so happy. Josh's favorite food, if it's his turn to choose what we're gonna eat, I'll tell you right now. He can confirm later if I'm right. Pizza. But if we had to pick what pizza to order from, it would be this place near us. It's called Cipollini's. It's like his favorite pizza ever. And it's good. There's about 3 locations, I believe, around us. The one location that's closer to us is the best one in my opinion, but we won't get into logistics. But that's okay. My favorite pizza place is Mello's. So good. Their pizza is just so bomb. Perfect sauce to cheese ratio, in my opinion. So it would either be pizza or a cheeseburger from this like local place by our house as well. It's called Lil J's. He just loves his all-American food. I mean, what can I say? I married a white boy. Nothing wrong with that. I do put him on some food that I grew up eating. And he loves it too. It's not his first choice. Like, if he's craving something, he doesn't usually crave it, but he loves it as well. And it's not Mexican food. It's food he's like literally never tried. But yeah, I think I'm full. I think I'm done. Let me eat this last chip. Should I scoop it in guac? Yeah, what a dumb question. Of course, I'm gonna throw the rest of this away because I gotta go to the store, and by the time I get back, it's gonna be warm. My guac is already warm. The chips today are hella toasted, like super dark. I'm gonna finish it. One more. This guac is like $2 for this little side. Although this little side is like pretty big. I'm done. I ate majority of my food. There's like a couple bites left and I cannot even be bothered to eat it. I'm so full. I'm already gonna be super bloated. But that's all right. That's all right. Done with that. That was so good. Like, you guys have no idea how good that was. Or if you love Chipotle as much as I do, you probably do have an idea how good that was. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, watching me pig out on some of my favorite food. Yeah, this is just a little impromptu video I thought I'd do. And yeah, thank you for making it this far to the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post videos every Sunday. Wow, you're a savage. I'll be burping for a while, but I'm gonna head to the grocery store now. So like this video if you enjoy my little mukbangs and my little random ass chats. Comment down below any future mukbangs that you would like me to do, and I'd be glad to definitely consider them within reason. And like I said, subscribe to my channel because videos are posted every Sunday and you don't want to miss out. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye.